Welcome to the new home of Dynatrac. Dynatrac has always been about one thing: building the toughest, most capable off-road products on the market. And as the brand has grown, we knew it was time for our manufacturing to grow with it. In September 2025, Dynatrac made a major move, relocating from Huntington Beach, California to the East Coast Gear Supply Facility in North Carolina, a world-class manufacturing operation owned by Randy's Worldwide. The fit was a natural one. We had outgrown our California facility and needed a partner with the space, the equipment, and the infrastructure to match Dynatrac's ambitions. North Carolina gave us exactly that and then some. Here we are at the new Dynatrac manufacturing home. This new building has way more space than the old location at Huntington Beach. The great thing about all the new space is having tons of stock. Everything that came from Huntington Beach is now here in North Carolina. Everything that made a Dynatrac axle the superior high-quality axle assembly that it was before is still being used today. Just because there's a new move, it does not mean new components. Our same Pro Rock center sections, tubes, C's, everything has been moved here to North Carolina, is being used on the new, fresh, high state-of-the-art assembly line. So here we are at the first step of the Dynatrac axle assembly process. As soon as your axle comes out, the first thing that we do is figure out the tubes that you need for your axle build. The tubes are turned down and prepped, ready to press into the Dynatrac Pro Rock center section that you choose. Once the axle tubes have been prepped and pressed into the Dynatrac center section, and the C's have also been pressed onto the tubes, they come over here to the fab section. This is where the brackets and everything else are welded onto the bare tubes. This is where the axle starts looking like a Dynatrac axle assembly. Here we are at the internal axle assembly stage. At this stage, there's a ton of stuff happening. After the axles are done to fabrication and welding, they come over here and all the internal components are installed. We have the ring gears, the lockers, yokes, axle shafts, everything to complete the axle assembly is done at this stage. We actually have Noah that was at the Huntington Beach location at Dynatrac for about 10 years, moved over with the move to North Carolina, been with us 6-7 months over here, so you have the same great techs building the same great Dynatrac product. As soon as the axles are finished at internal assembly stage, they make their way over here. This is the wash rack. As you can see, the completed axles are ready to get washed down and prepped for paint. After the washing and prep bay, the Dynatrac axles stay on this rack right here and make their way to the paint booth where they're primered and then finished with the final paint. Once the Dynatrac axle has been finished at primer and paint and goes through its final QC check, it makes its way over here in crating. Over here in crating, this is where the axles make their way into the crates that we build specifically for our axles and then ship them straight to you. Since the move, the results have spoken for themselves. Production is up, costs are down, and the team has hit the ground running in a facility that is purpose-built for precision manufacturing. This wasn't just a change of address, it's Dynatrac leveling up. Better resources, a stronger supply chain, and the operational backbone to keep delivering the quality that our customers expect. The future of Dynatrac is being built right here in North Carolina, and we couldn't be more excited about what's ahead, giving you that confidence to explore.